Team, a lot of us right now are looking at what's happening in the market and we're panicking. And the reality is we're panicking because many of us for the last 2 years have been order pickers, not salespeople. What I mean by this is that consumers came to us and said, I want that, help me buy it. And we basically helped them buy it. Now things have shifted and your focus needs to shift as well. You need to now go back and relearn how to sell real estate. Now, a lot of you are thinking, I don't know, I didn't maintain my books, I didn't maintain my CRMs, my client base, I don't know what to do at this point. And so I'm going to tell you what your next steps should look like if you're in that category. Your next steps include going into the Velocity Coaching. I'll include a link under this video for that with all the instructions, and restarting your coaching with Ramp. You've also got weekly scripting and objection handling calls that you can subscribe to. If you can't make it in the actual live session, the recorded sessions are available to you. Now is the time for you to relearn how to do proper CMAs, because you can't just list a property for $9.99 and expect multiple offers way over asking. You need to attend the in-person modules that we're hosting at the office every week at this point so that you can sharpen those skills, go back to what it means to be an actual salesperson, and sell real estate by providing meaningful insights and education to consumers. The market's going to look very different for the next 2 quarters. And the people that are going to rise to the top, rise to this occasion, are the agents that have done the coaching, that have systems, that are leveraging the CRM. You've got KV Core now. You've got no excuses. You've got the best CRM that is available in the industry for free. All you need to do is set it up and get cracking. Set up the CRMs, start the coaching. If you haven't done deals, you're not sure where to start, Ramp is going to give you everything you need to set up your business. And a lot of agents will look at the business planning, they'll look at the SWOT analysis, why I got started in real estate. You'll look at all these things and say, I'm just going to bypass these things. You can't bypass those things. They're not a joke. Take them seriously. The reason they're there is because you're going to attract people like you. And if you don't know what it is that's going to attract someone like you, you'll never attract your consumer or your client base. Go through these properly, give it the attention they deserve. Otherwise, they won't work. Any questions, reach out to me. Bye for now.